yeah, as long as he knows that he's the only one and he's got it from the hand line where we started to the hand line where it goes down to the house, and you can keep constant vigilance on that.
Copy that. Great. That's a sweet. Copy that.
Papa, Catman, Command 9.
Okay, so 7-3, I know you can copy direct, you just have to go through the Victor right now, but you're comfortable with that?
Doesn't look good there.
That's affirmative, no problem.
Okay, so make sure to be checking that that upper hand line where it goes over to the black to make sure that one's not at the bottom of the crossing.
Copy that. That's 7-3.
Yeah, I copied. Is that coming through on my mobile?
Yeah, you're booming on your mobile.
Okay, I can't receive on my mobile for some reason, but I can transmit.